Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbiye, student of the BridgeSec Institute in a batch of 17th of a Pharma. Today I will tell you about the story of the Golden Touch. The story of the Golden Touch of the King Midas. The King Midas was a powerful yet greedy man. He spent his days counting his gold, and at night he dreamed of a great riches. No matter how much gold he received, it was never enough. One day, King Midas was out in his beautiful rose garden when he met half man and half goat. The satyr was lost, so King Midas gave him some food and directed him they back to the right path. The satyr was very grateful to the king for his assistant. He wanted to reward Midas, granting him one wish. Then King Midas threw long and hard. How could one wish fulfill his many wants? In fact, Midas felt a little cheated because he knew three wishes was the standard reward, and he was just about to voice this very sentiment to the satyr when suddenly he had a brilliant idea. Then a vision of money, then and treasure filled was mine. Then gold shot at the king. I want everything that I touch to turn to gold. Oh, don't think that he good idea, said the satyr. You should reconsider your request. But Midas insisted, and the satyr granted the wish. Then Midas could not wait to test out his new gift. He reached on and picked up a rock. As his eyes widened in disbelief, the rock became a solid gold. The king was thrilled and began touching everything is a sight. Then grass, leaves, acorns, then flowers and tree branches. I have the golden touch he threw. He raced through the forest. The king was finally happy. The would be the richest man in the world. Then back then at back the castle, King Midas demanded a hug celebrations, a feast. He wanted meats, then a fruit, then and chases and breads. Nothing but the best would do for the king. Now that we was going to be rich. As he sat down to eat the chair, then turned to gold at his touch. Then he reached for a drink, and the cup turned into a golden goblet in his hand. Then Midas went to take a sip of the water, and a sip of water, but suddenly cocked on a lump of gold. He grabbed a piece of bread, bit into it, then it too turned to the gold. "Oh no!" cried the king. "I will strive to that." At the father's cry, the king's young daughter rushed to console her father. As he rubbed arms around her father. She's quickly turned into the golden. Then a sobbing middle fell to his knees and begged the gods to set him free of his foolish wish. His tears become dry golden members as he cried, "I have learned my lesson. My wish was foolish, and now I am big punished for it. I have learned that money can't buy." And then happiness family is a more important. Please take all the gold and let the thing turn to the way they were. Begged the king. The gold took pity on the king. He was instructed to go to the river. It washed his entire body and he removed the Midas touch, which was a curse rather than a gift. King Midas raced to the river and scrubbed itself. He could see flakes of gold floating in the river, means the water. When he stepped out of the river, his power was gone, and his daughter had back of the life. Then King Midas realized that he was now truly happy. However, the gods gave the King Midas a reminder of his foolishness. Two donkey ears from the top of his head, and Midas never